Hey guys, this is Lukat Fix It. This is an old oxidized paint job. It's dead. Look at the fender right here. I'm gonna put some on there like that. This is not wax, it's cleaner. When you put it on, you don't do circles, you just go back and forth like this. This is a deep cleaner. It's designed to remove buildup, contamination, and oxidation. This is an old clear coat. I'm not removing the clear, I'm cleaning it. Look how beautiful that is, okay? A lot of you have paint jobs where the hood, roof, and trunk haze up and the side doors, fenders look good. Don't wax it, guys, because when you wax a dirty paint job, you're also going to trap the very contaminants that are going to erode your paint job. That's why you see so many cars peeling. This looks really beautiful. You catching that on there? But listen to this. That means that it's squeaky clean. There's no wax in this product. It's not a wax, it's a cleaner. Now, waxes are good when your paint job is good. And right now, the paint job's been brought back. Now, this is a wax. It's a sealer wax. You want to put this on afterwards. This is going to lock in and protect that paint job. Leave a nice, tough, glossy shell. It's carnauba with polymers. When you put this on, let it dry. The longer you let it dry, the better. But for the sake of time right now, I just put it on. Give it a few seconds. It's pretty hot right now. It dries, and look how nice and glossy that is. But if I would have left this on there for about 20 minutes, you can feel the difference. Now there's none of that. Now, if you have headlights that are hazy, you can use the same cleaner that I use for the paint for the headlights. Remember, it's cleaner, not wax. So you don't do circles, you go back and forth just like this. This is cleaner, not wax. All I'm doing is cleaning. Okay? Now guys, listen to me. If you clean the paint, instead of just wax over it, it's fixed for many, many years. So I just cleaned that headlight. Okay? So if you clean the paint, you fix the paint, it's done. It'll take another 5-10 years for this to get all faded and ugly again. So if you guys want to order it, get it at lucatdetail.com. This will save you a ton of money. If your clear coat's not peeling, if it's hazy on the hood, roof, and trunk, but the sides look good, clean it now before it peels, because once it peels, it's a lot more work. Okay guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail. Thank you for your time. Oh, please like and subscribe. Later, guys.